Welcome, my friends, to another backtesting video. Still going good, as per usual. We just came off of this nice trade that we ended up closing due to it being pre-market. Like, I'm not really holding a position overnight, stuff like that. That's why I pulled, because it was unrealistic. Obviously, you want to keep backtesting realistic in order to train your psychology and put it into the live charts. Hopefully, stay winning the same way, whether it's losing, improving that the same, sorry, not improving that the same way, improving how you trade in a good way, etc., etc. But regardless, yeah. Also, if you guys are wondering why I only do 1 day at a time, it's not 1 day at a time. All I really do is I backtest the whole video until I take a trade, and then I stop the video. So feel free to leave a comment if you want me to start backtesting weeks at a time, so I can just go through a week worth of trading at a time, but then the videos start to stretch on because I try and add source in there as much as I possibly can about the strategy and how I'm winning, why I'm taking these trades, stuff like that. And I'm really trying to keep that up so you guys can learn my strategy and hopefully I'm a good enough teacher to do so. But yeah, let me know if you want to start seeing the weekly backtesting sessions. But at the moment, I'm just trading until what's it called? I actually take a trade. Well, sorry, backtesting in the video until I take an actual trade. Whether it's a win or a loss, I will keep it on that. But yeah, as you can see, we closed here 1-9 or whatever. Really nice, but we just started coming into the early AMs. I'm not holding at those times. So it would be stupid, I guess, for me to hold there. Anyways, deleting these drawings just quickly because not much point having them come across my chart, throwing me off, thinking they're something important. This is the 4 hour zone from a couple backtesting sessions ago. But regardless, let's just move these over to our openings. Where are we? London and New York. Come here. Alright, let's skip through. It's Friday, so I don't really want to take anything on Friday. Oh, we're just running through shit. Okay, we're bearish. This is not a bad zone, actually. I don't mind this. We'll look at that. Especially because there's this inducement here. Oh, that, my friends, is some sort of fucking news. Okay, we got and then PMI. So watch this next candle. Be either the same up rape as this. Oop, I don't know if I can say that word, but it's down. Like, okay, well, on to the next week. That was boring. I shouldn't have even looked at that if there was news. My bad, I will start checking for news now. Otherwise, we can get stopped out unnecessarily. Anyways, skip through, skip. Can we follow my button? Okay. What day? This is Monday as well, honestly. What the fuck? Let's just see if anything presents. Okay, actually, that's really fucking nice. Maybe something will present. It's only 2 candles. Matter of fact, no, we don't like this. Came close, didn't hit us, even if I was to take off this zone. So, honestly, all good. Let me just get rid of this middle line. I don't know why that's there. I don't like using that. I don't really use CE for anything the way I trade. But yeah, if this had another candle, 30 minute will look even worse. Yeah, 30 minutes down here, so pointless. Moving into Tuesday. Let's mark out the sessions. 10 was 5 p.m. and 10:30 New York, same as everything else. But let's skip forward. Um, Low key, I'm really fucking sore today because I trained chest and I ended up going heavy. I didn't try to go heavy. I ended up going heavy, like really heavy, and now my forearms. My forearms. Okay, wait. Shorts off of this zone. My forearms are sore as fuck right now. Like really sore. I have no clue why. Wait, let's check 30. Is that a 30 zone? That is a 30 zone. But this 30 here. They're both nice. They're both not nice. This 15's been invalidated, as you can see, because let's just zoom in here, dropping more source. When you have a zone, it's immediately invalidated when, so obviously this is a bullish candle as a supply zone. If another bullish candle comes up into it, doesn't matter whether it's a wick or here, obviously the bodies are closing inside the zone, it immediately becomes invalidated. Something like that, really valid, really nice. Honestly, could be a good draw. There's no actual bottom on that. It's probably an hourly as well. If it wants to bear with me, it's literally an hourly zone as well. So I do think price could potentially push up into here. This is also an hourly. That's why I'm thinking maybe I take this. Just because it's like wrong on the 15. I might low risk it because we've got this inducement here. Obviously, it's way cleaner on the 15 as well. Honestly, valid, but the R is just 1-3. Actually, I don't mind that. Advanced. We'll go 0.5 risk because we don't have all zones, what's it called, on the lower time frames lining up, but as you know, lower time frames hold less conviction than the higher time frames, and this is a purely higher time frame setup, which means we could genuinely start to target some fat fucking lows. No, we'll stick with this 1-3. I'm confident with it anyways. Let's just drop this down to the 5 minute and start to skip through. Wait, what time is this? Okay, we're half an hour in anyways. Wait, 30 minute. I want to see how the 30 minute reacts. Because it's got this zone here as well. Okay, we're in. We honestly could have... Fuck, that is my bad, guys. That is really my bad. I should have taken the refined zone up here. 1-4.5, way cleaner. Because obviously I explained it in one of my TikTok videos. A refined zone is pretty much when the next candle's body cannot close below this wick. It's just showing that this wick of orders is not strong enough in order to turn price around. Because if, say, the next bearish candle afterwards cannot even push past this price, what's telling you that this wick is unable to? So that's a bad read on my behalf. But like the fucking rejection is crazy right now. Look at that. You can't make this shit up, bro. I'll take break even here. Shit, my bad, gang. I'll take break even here. See if we can reverse. And we get tapped break even. Alright. And of course, as per usual. Anyways, so break even here. Not so nice. I don't want to end on a break even. Let's just say that. I swear I'm not a gambler of any sorts. Can we keep this up here? I'm not a gambler of any sorts, but when it's a break even like that and I get tapped out of break even and then it launches to TP, get fucked. I'm trading more than that. Alright, let's jump back up into the 15 minute. Mark out sessions, Asia. These need to start following. London, and where's New York? New York here. Alright. Let's see what Asia can give us. Are we looking long? Boys, are we looking long? Fuck no. Alright, we're looking short. We're looking really short. 30 minute here, okay. 15, sorry. Wait, this is really clean. Because obviously I'm gonna go full risk on it, but not full risk, sorry. 1% risk. I just want to watch for this zone because it very well could go off of here. Drop to the 5, start to see if we can get any wicks. Okay, we tap in. Yeah, we pushed through. It wasn't strong enough. I'm going to take shorts from this, though. On the 15 here. Bring you down here. And stops targeting lows. Stops above highs. What am I talking about? I want to see. Alright. So. Okay. So, as you can see, we've got inducement here. This is the 5-minute up here. Honestly, bring it down to the 30-minute zone here. Yeah, let's bring it here. All right. Okay, rejection. If we can come back up now, this is immaculate. Like really, really immaculate entry. Honestly, could take this 5-minute. But I'm gonna stay safe with a 30. Yeah, I think so. Let's just see how the 5-minute wants to come up. Let's do it in 1-minute increments. Let's see. We can't even close above this wick, that wick. There's 2 sets of inducement here. Like, shall I say more? This is gonna fucking run. Let's see if I went off the 5-minute here. Okay, that 5-minute was way cleaner. But, you know, so was the 15. Can't argue. Sometimes you can't argue. It doesn't matter. You gotta play it safe. It's, like, really that simple. I have so much conviction. Even fucking... I'll probably go break even. Let's check 5-minute. I'll go break even at these 5-minute lows. Well, I mean, it's probably just gonna run now, but... Go break even here. And... No way we get 2 break evens in one day, guys. 2 break evens in one day of backtesting. Can't make this up. Let's see what we could have improved, though. Oh, well, I already know what we could have improved. Why the fuck didn't we go for a zone? Simple fixes, but anyways, 2 break evens on this trade, so no losses. Win rate will stay the same, I think. But yeah, not a bad session of backtesting. Like I said, comment if you want me to go through a whole weeks of backtesting.